Hello, beautiful babes, and welcome to Sugar Fingers. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, and I'm the host of the show today. So, we're going to get started on this, but before we do, you want to make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That way, each and every time I have a new video for you, some new products to show you, you'll be in the know. And today's In the Know is all about rhinestones on the nails. Yes, how to apply that bling that you see everybody with. And y'all, I am using a product that I've introduced on the channel previously. This is from Corsuelia, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and it is the UV gel. It's like a glue almost. It's a poly gel that you could actually use for your bling, or you can build up your nail for nail enhancements. Now I have tons of these little rhinestones. Many of them I got off of Amazon, and they're all sorted into this little container, which I will list everything that I'm using down below. And you can see that I have this little pen. This pen actually has a wax tip on it, which makes it easy to pick up the rhinestones with. So all I'm going to do to make this process so simple is use my UV gel and put this on my nail that I have here. I'm going to use it and just paint it on almost like polish, and I'll be able to just apply my rhinestones to it. This gel has to be cured, of course. It's UV gel, so it has to be cured in a UV LED lamp. And that is what I'm preparing to do now. So now that you're a little bit closer and you can actually see what I'm up to, I'm going to go ahead and take this nice little brush that came along with this gel and paint my nail with it. I've already prepped and primed my nail. I dehydrated it, also put a primer on, so I'm just ready to go ahead and apply this gel to my actual nail. And that is what I'm doing now. I think I also put on a base coat prior to this, so I always do that on my nails because you never can have enough prepping on the nails. So I'm just polishing this on just like nail polish. I don't want it to be too thick because I don't want the rhinestones that I'm putting on to look too bulky on my nail. So I'm making sure I have it in every little crevice around my nail and trying not to get it on my skin at all. So getting very close there. And I'm nearing the end of completion, just trying to make sure I get closer to that cuticle as possible right there. So that is how you do the glue, which I call it glue because it's basically the same thing as the glue. Just polishing on the UV gel and honey. Now y'all know I'm not a nail tech. I'm just showing you how your girl Sweet Angel get it done. Now we're just going to set this aside and go ahead and put the top on it and start picking up the little rhinestones. I'm actually taking these very small ones here. I'm taking one at a time. It actually adheres to the wax stick there, the wax pen, and I'm taking one at a time and putting them on. And that is the process. And now, since you see me doing that, I'm actually going to bling out this entire nail. So now that you see what I'm doing, I'm going to go ahead and speed it up. The biggest thing here is patience and just aligning these little jewels close to your nail as close together as possible if you're doing this all over your nail, to make sure there aren't any gaps and any areas where it's not going to look balanced or even. So I'm heading and doing the process, so check it out as I go. And of course, the actual gel, again, is not going to dry until it goes under the lamp. That is why I love using this type of gel in order to do this with. I love using this UV gel. It is so easy to work with. And bada bling, bada bling. There you go, all in place. I'm just making sure they're all meshed down evenly before I put my hand under the UV lamp, and we get ready to go ahead and do that. And while that's setting in place, let me just mention to you my favorite top coat right now is the Melody Susie. It's called Top It Off, and I'll be putting this on top of the bling. A lot of people don't do this because they feel that it dulls out the bling, but I just want to make sure mine are secured because it'll be a minute before I actually do my nails again. Nail is cured, I'm going to go ahead and put on the top coat. Again, as I mentioned, Melody Susie, a top coat, and we'll do that now. And I'm so bad, I didn't catch any of that on camera. Now what I'm going to do is just take my alcohol cloth here or paper towel and just wipe off any excess that may be on the nails where I just applied the top coat. And of course, once I put the top coat on, it's time to cure the nail again. We'll keep that under the lamp for about 60 seconds. And once it is all cured, looking all cute and everything, we're going to take this alcohol paper towel, cloth, or whatever you have. You may use alcohol pads and just wipe off the nail. And of course, I had finished all of my nails, so I was wiping them all down with the alcohol and remove all of this tackiness off of the nails. And now it's time for some cuticle oil. Thanks to Maddie at Maddie's Glam Life. Check out her channel. She made this wonderful cuticle nail oil, hand oil, and I'll be using this on my cuticles today. So let's go ahead and apply this on. She has it in a cute little dropper bottle here, and I'll just dab it on all of my nails and get them looking really fresh around the cuticles so they won't be dry or brittle. And we'll just rub that in like so. Very nice scented oil. You can do this yourself. I'll make sure I link it. I'll make sure I link the video which gives you instructions on which oils she used to benefit the nails. And bada bling, there we go. And again, I am so unskilled at showing off nails. I have everything upside down. The cup should be turned the other way, but listen, don't mind me. If you want this cup, make sure you check out my merch store, teespring.com. Sweet Angel gear, absolutely. There you go. This is the easy way to put on some bling on the nails. I'll have everything listed below for you, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for watching again right here at Sugar Fingers. Like, comment, and subscribe. And please keep those hands looking gorgeous.